Hi, we're guys doing stuff.
And today we're building a wheelbase for our patio umbrella because it never seems to catch the shade right.
Go!
We love our umbrella, but the best place for it to cast the right shade all day long is right in the middle of traffic. In fact, to do its job perfectly, it has to block the stairs down to the lawn.
All told, the umbrella with the weighted base weighs about 300 pounds, so moving it isn't easy.
We went to the home center and bought some treated lumber and locking casters capable of supporting a 350-pound load.
We cut the lumber to make a simple square base and screwed it together with coated decking screws. This is going to be outside all year round and we don't want it to rust apart. We marked and drilled the holes for the casters and attached them with galvanized lug screws.
Then we took the base outside, centered the umbrella's legs, and screwed them into place.
With that done, we put the heavy weights back, and now we can roll the umbrella into place for dinner on the deck, and roll it back out of the way when we're done. If you like what you saw, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos.
I'm Gus.